up? Hey there! Well, welcome to an unboxing video. Now, I'm unboxing a watch today. Well, wearables are basically dominated by two main players. Apple with their Watch OS and Android with their Wear OS. And up and coming is Samsung with the Tizen OS. They've been launching watches now to their fourth generation. They make beautiful screens and they make beautiful designs. Apple has stuck to their, square or rectangular design ever since they've launched it. And Android is available on a wide variety of devices, from brands like Michael Kors, Armani, even Tag Heuer, and one that I have here, the Casio WSDF 20, which is a ruggedized series watch from Casio featuring Android Wear OS. Now, the watch I'm going to be unboxing will be one by Huawei. Now, Huawei has moved from Huawei 1 and Huawei Watch 1, Huawei Watch 2, and in the new Huawei Watch GT, they're basically using their own operating system, Light OS. So, all in all, there are 4 major operating systems today. We're not going to talk too much about that until we get to the full review, but let's just open this bad boy up and see what's inside. On to the unboxing. Well, this is the Watch GT. Based on the packaging, you can see that it is very similar to packaging design language that you see on most of their new mobile phones, their flagship phones. We're gonna just go ahead and cut this up and see what's inside. Trusty old rusty blade here, and let's go ahead and cut this up. Right off the bat, we can see a beautiful watch design inside with a leather strap. Now, I do believe the strap is removable. Yes, it is. And there is a fair amount of weight to it. And it's got a big screen, which I really like, compared to this small one on the Gear Sport. I do suppose maybe the Frontier will be slightly larger, but all in all, I think it's a beautiful looking watch. Now, it's leather on the top, but it has silicone below, which actually helps to keep it nice and clean, and leather tends to stain after a while, and it's easily removable also. So there's this little latch here. These are the heart rate sensors. Now, this watch is touted to have a battery life of about 2 weeks. So I'm about to go on a trip. I'm going to take it with me, and you guys will get to see the review after that. And let's take a look at what else is in the box. And most of this stuff is difficult to pull out. So there is a USB-C charging cord. And here we go. This is the charging station, magnetically attached to the back. USB-C input, which saves me a whole lot of hassle. Typical instruction manual. I do suppose that's it. It's an OLED screen, so the screen is nice and bright. So from the initial colors inspection, it looks really, really good. It is very well made, and I would say, if I put it on my hand, I think the size is a good fit. Well, the boot up is taking a bit of time, and it is the first time we're booting this up. Well, this is the Watch GT. For more of this, we'll come back to a full review when I get back from my trip. Hey, thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.